Kain na. Kids.
Look for the side stand. What's here? Right here. Be careful. Like that. Watch it be a little.
Chicken. Salmon. Edge, kung gising ka na, panoorin mo ako. Pipino para healthy. Ham.
Oh yeah. This top, I mean, it's like your top. Orange juice, apple juice, or Same apple juice or orange juice. You want one? Then want one.
Edge kimchi. Salmon to Edge. Edge, sasaw mo sa maanghang. Sarap to Edge. Legit yung siomai to Edge. Sarap. Edge of kimchi. Sarap Edge of. Bye-bye. Andun si Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Look, 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 look.
Gaba. Yee! Yee! Wow! Swimming? 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 Swimming?
As we leave Habitat Station, you will be able to enjoy a panoramic view of Sentosa, Singapore's premier leisure destination. While it started as a simple fishing village, and then used as a British military base during World War II, Sentosa was redeveloped by the Singapore government for tourism and leisure in 1972. And it's easy to see why this beautiful island has been so popular and successful.
Swimming?
Although Sentosa is a mere 5 square kilometers large, you'll find it filled with world-class attractions.
Ako na.
Swimming? Ay, Hello Kitty. Hi!
Here, you can already spend resorts in Sentosa, Universal Studios Singapore theme park,
Wow!
water park with its many water slides.
Wow! Swimming?
Still covering much of the island, giving you a chance to spot interesting wildlife such as monkeys, monitor lizards, and even peacocks. And on the southern side of the island lies 3.2 kilometers of golden beaches with shelter bays. Here, you will find 3 beach zones, each offering safety
Ibubuksan ko yung bintana na. Ingat.
beach.
Swimming, swimming.
Sandal
ka, ha?
Adventures with the seagulls.
Diyan ka lang.
Long Beach offers family-friendly fun for the young and young at heart. And Long Beach is the perfect place to find an beachfront club.
I think yung isa din. Sa baba mo, tatay.
You'll see many ships anchored as they pass through one of the busiest shipping ports in the world. And in Kiribati,
Wow! Ayan, yan. Hindi.
Okay na to.
Okay.
Enjoy?
Tayo
Swimming?
ka kay tatay.
Ha? Kakalong ba? Wow! Hello Kitty! Hi! Hi! May picture tayo para kasama si nanay.
Sentosa Station. Can you spot another cable car line from here? That's our sister line.
Mauuntog yata tayo. Hindi ba? Wow! Labubu!